Hi there. Today I'm looking at the MINISFORUM Mini PC NAB6 Lite with Intel Core i5, 12 core 16 threads, 32 gig of RAM DDR4 and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD mini computer. It's quite an amazing beast, and look, this is literally the size of it. This box is it. This is the whole computer. So I'll get it out of the box, and this is part of MINISFORUM's Venus series. It has two 2.5 gig Ethernet sockets, two HDMI ports, 7 USB ports. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. There we go. And so this is the box. This is the computer. So the box also has a few extra things in it, such as, well, power cable, obviously. Here we go. A little power pack. Plus some interesting expansion. I'll work out what that is in a bit. Power cable, HDMI cable, some screws, and a mounting plate, so you can stick it on the wall, under your desk, behind the monitor, all sorts of things. So this is the computer itself. Pretty amazing that you can get a whole computer like this. Usually when you think of a desktop computer, you think of a big tower or a mighty server, or something that sits under your monitor. Or if you think of a small computer, you might think of something like a Raspberry Pi, which really is a clever piece of kit. But it's very, they're very light powered. They're not super powerful by nature. Whereas this genuinely is a full computer. This is literally an Intel i5, 12 core, 16 threads, 32 gig RAM, 1TB SSD, but it's also full of connectivity. So this is quite amazing. This is the whole computer, and you can see, so on the front we have the power button. We've got some USB ports. On the side we have some cooling. On the back, here's where it's quite amazing. We have a Kensington lock, we've got power supply, but we've got more USB ports, but two 2.5 gig Ethernet sockets, two HDMI sockets, and more cooling on the side. Also as well, interestingly, we have this top that lifts up. Here we go. And actually allows you to get into the internals. You don't even have to peel off the bits on the bottom, the little feet to get into it. You can actually go here and change the RAM, change the SSD. It's quite amazing, quite impressive what MINISFORUM have done. So yeah, really cool. And then we just clip it back into place and then push the lids down in the corners. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get into the internals of this computer. So that's the MINISFORUM Mini PC NAB6 Lite with Intel Core i5, and I'm going to plug it in and power it up and see how it goes. Thank you very much.